Hello guys, this is Farhan again with another short trading video for you guys. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can scalp using my secret market scanner. According to my scanner, the pound yen was a buy, so around Asian market it was a quick 20 pips scalp trade. According to my system's rule, it was a 1 hour trade. Based on my rules, the price touched one of our moving average and it went straight up. So if you go to the 15-minute time frame, you can see it reacted from our level and then it went more than 20 pips. So you can also scalp using my secret market scanner. So I hope you are enjoying my short videos. I'll try to bring more and more videos based on my secret market scanner so that you can get benefit from using it. It's very cheap right now, so I think you should act fast and grab the secret market scanner for the lowest price. You can email support at FxChildsplaySignals.com and please join my Telegram channel and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the like button of the video. Thank you.